Good morning, all. This is Matthew with Allfasteners from the New Jersey branch. Just here for a few moments to explain our newest epoxy to our epoxy family, the Vf200 Pro. Many of you guys might have seen this product in the market already. Very versatile product used in many different applications. But one of the unique features of this product is it fits in a regular caulk gun, similar to using your silicone caulk gun. And the product comes with the ICC approval. It is ACI accredited epoxy, and we come out and actually do the on-site pull testing. We also can do on-site training for all of your guys. Now, just going over to some of the dispensers, Allfasteners does have a heavier duty caulk gun. The ratio is a little better on this caulk gun, so when you're squeezing the epoxy, it ejects a little easier than some of our cheaper ones that were out in the market, such as our orange products, and very cost effective, very versatile dispenser. You can use this for your silicone and so forth. Then we've just recently come out with the all new 12-volt cordless caulk gun. Talk about easy. I've used this myself on some job sites. Seriously easy to use. Takes the complete effort out of dispensing any product. Similar to most caulk guns, you put your sausage or caulk tube in there, close down on the back, and then you just start dispensing. Pulling the bottom handle, dispenses very, very easy. Now, one of the best features about this caulk gun is everybody knows with the manual caulk gun, when you're squeezing it and you don't back the gun off, it will still be dispensing material out of the nozzle, which is causing lost material. With the all-new electric caulk gun, the caulk gun actually backs off the pressure, which relieves the pressure in the tube, so you're not wasting material. Seriously ingenious, and your guys are going to love it. Now I'll just take this tube out because obviously it's not open, and I'll just show you a quick demo on how to use. Very, very easy. Pull the bottom trigger, seriously easy to use. And then on the back of the dispenser, you have adjustments. So if you're using this caulk gun for silicone or other materials on the job site, you can drop the pressure down so you get more of an even and consistent. Now, I just wanted to go over another application for our Vf200 Pro, starting with our very nice top-of-the-line starter kit. Now, talk about idiot-proof. We've got everything for you, so you can't give this to a guy and he say, I don't have something. We've got extra nozzles. We've got stainless steel wire brushes for cleaning out our hole. We've got 4 tubes of epoxy. We have the mesh screen tubes. We have the blow pump and the ultimate Allfasteners manual caulk gun. Don't ask for any more. Now, I wanted to go over quickly the cinder concrete. Probably applies a bit more to older cities such as New York City, where cinder concrete, cinder ash, some people call it, or ash concrete. It's very brittle, very hard to work with. A lot of traditional anchors, such as your drop-in anchors or double expansions, do not work in this application. So I'm just going to run over very quickly how we're going to install in cinder concrete. Now, this same installation works for solid concrete. So same kit, same method of installation. So first, I'm going to just do a quick demo on using a 3/8 threaded stud. We're going to use the ultimate Allfasteners Enduro bit, 1/2 inch in diameter, 6 inches in length. I'm going to drill a 4-inch deep hole. Once I've drilled that out, I'm gonna go and get one of the brushes out of the starter kit. I'm going to clean out the hole, get all the debris out, get all the rocks that are out. Then after I've done that, I'm going to do a quick blow with the blow pump, get all the dust out. This is a very critical point, a very critical part in the installation, because I know there's a lot of guys in the field that say, screw it, I don't want to do it, it's too much time, it takes too long, I don't have the time. The problem with not doing it is you're shooting yourself in the foot, because once the epoxy's in the hole, it's hardened to all that debris and loose debris in the hole. Once that's cured, that anchor is coming straight back out of the hole because it didn't harden or attach to anything of the ceiling. It only attached to the dust particles. So very, very critical point. Now I've cleaned out my hole with my brush. I've blown it out with the blow pump. Now it's time to eject the epoxy in. Very simple. Put it in our cordless caulk gun. You want to get some muscles and put it in our manual caulk gun? Be my guest. Fill up the hole 3/4 of the way full. Then we take our 3/8 by 4 1/8 long stud and again thread this stud into the epoxy. So the epoxy is going into the threads on the stud. Leave about 1 to 1.5 inches outside of the hole. Let that harden for 30 to 35 minutes, and you'll get astronomical pull values. When I do it, I've just performed it in New York City a few days ago on a very well-known building in New York City on 5th Avenue, and I got 3,500 pounds on one anchor. Now that's very easy. Now, a lot of people say to me, oh, it's just the threaded stud going into there. Well, it's not just the threaded stud, it's the epoxy that's actually going to be squishing to the side walls of the ceiling, and your threaded stud has been threaded into the epoxy. You're not pulling that out.